Welcome to our lesson on comparing decimals. Today we'll compare two decimals, zero point 0.1 and 0.25, to determine which one is larger. Both numbers can be converted into fractions. 0.1 is equivalent to 1/10 and 0.25 is equivalent to 1/4. Let's convert these fractions back to their decimal representation. We see that 1/10 remains 0.1 and 1/4 is 0.25. Now let's directly compare 0.1 and 0.25. First, we'll note the tenths digit of each number. 0.1 has a tenths digit of 1, whereas 0.25 has a tenths digit of 2. Since 2 is greater than 1, it follows that 0.25 is greater than 0.1. Thus, 0.25 is larger than 0.1. When comparing decimals, always start from the leftmost digit and move right. The larger number in the first differing place value column will dictate which decimal is greater.